Right, hi and welcome back. So, going to do another recipe. Going to aim to keep below somewhere around 400 calories per portion we're aiming for. So today we're going to cook a Thai green curry. I'll put my existing weight up again, because that's dropped a bit more since last week. And I'll jump into the kitchen. Won't go quite as in depth as we did last time. Try and keep this video a bit shorter. So let's go have a look at what we've got and what we're cooking. Right, so there's our weight check. 97 kilo. Still coming down. Right, so as you can see, I've already got all my ingredients measured out here. So we've got onions. I'll put the weights and the calories of everything up on the screen, so it'll be easy so you can just pause and look. So I've got onions, broccoli, Pak Choi, baby sweetcorn, mix of garlic, chilli and ginger, roast red peppers, munch 2, chicken. This was another one on that Iceland range. There's 600 grams of chicken, and this is again in that 3 for £10 range, so good cost saving. Chestnut mushrooms, 600 grams of these. Gonna use a green curry paste. Got this one from Sainsbury's. It's quite a nice one. It says serves 10 to 12. I like it strong. So we'll probably get 7 or 8 portions, but I'm going to put the whole lot in. Coconut milk. I'd already got all my ingredients when I went to get me coconut milk, and I cannot find any light coconut milk, so this is quite high in calories. It's literally double what the light is. So cooking oil, I've only gone with 30ml. Probably add some crushed chillies in. So not going to record loads over the pan this time, so we're going to start with oil into our pan. Add our onions, and we're going to let that sweat down for 5-10 minutes. Release all them nice that sweetness from them. Then we'll go in with our chili, garlic and ginger mix and our curry paste. Give that a good fry off as well. In with our chicken. In with our peppers. In with our coconut milk. And then towards the end we'll add these short to cook vegetables. So next time we'll have a look in the pan and see where we're up to. Right, so I've got my onions sweated down. They had a good 10-15 minutes. Then we've added our green curry paste in. Make sure you use the paste. Don't buy a jar of sauce. It does make a massive difference, and it's a lot better. I also added our garlic, chilli and ginger. This is going to be quite spicy. By the time I finish, and I added some chilli flakes. So time for my chicken to go in. I've not got this on a massive heat because I don't want to burn anything. So we'll cook this for a few minutes. Get all the chicken coloured. We'll add our mushrooms. Get them starting to cook. And go in with our coconut milk, and we'll come back once that's had a bit of a simmer down. Right, so this has been simmering for a good 3/4 of an hour. We're only cooking with chicken, so we don't need masses. As you can see, it's quite thin. So I've mix up some corn flour. There's 50 grams of corn flour. I've weighed this out. Just make a slurry. to thicken this. Really well stirred in. There we go. There, that's much better. You can see the difference. So we're going to get the rest of our veg in now. So first off, our baby sweet corn. This will only need about another, once these veggies are in, about another 5 or 10 minutes with the lid on to cook them, and we'll be all done. So in with our Pak Choi and our broccoli. Get it stirred in. We'll get the lid on this and we'll add our mange 2 in literally at the last minute, because we don't want much cooking with that whatsoever. And bear in mind that we're going to be, I'm freezing some of this, so when I heat it up in the microwave you're still cooking it more. So all these want to be just cooked nice and al dente crispy, because they will cook more. So lid on, and we'll come back to that in about 5 or 10 minutes. Throw our broccoli in, throw our mange 2 in, give it a taste, give it a season, and we'll be done. So we've had about 10 minutes. You can see this is cooked now. Gone, taken on that limpness, but it's still a bit crispy. So we're going in with our mange 2. Just give it a quick stir. Make sure everything's mixed all around. Give it a taste for seasoning. So, gonna have a good twist of pepper. I've got my nice handy automatic grinders now. I only bought these because I like the shiny lights. And some salt, not too heavy on the salt though again. We're watching our salt intake as well. Good stir round. Another taste. Yeah, that will do. So I'll get this portioned up now and work out how much it's weight proportion, calories proportion and weight proportion. So I'll be back soon with that final little bit. So I've got 7 portions out of that. I've probably got a bit too much sauce because these come out at nearly 520 grams each. And to be fair, I doubled the volume of coconut milk just with water. So I probably could have, so I had 800 mils of water went in. So I could have probably got away with maybe only adding 400 mils of water and wouldn't have had quite as much sauce, less weight. Same amount of portions. But yeah, so we've got 7 portions. There was 3,035 calories all together. So these have come out at 436 calories per portion. So yeah, there you go. Another recipe suitable for diabetics. I'd have rather got the light coconut milk, but anyone who lives in the UK will be fully aware that we have problems getting things at the moment because we just do. I cut massively down on the oil. we used the corn flour, but we only used 50 grams between all of this. So we're coming in everything below our targets on carbohydrates, sugars, fats. So another recipe for you all to try. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see what I cook next time.